Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at another inflatable by Goosh. You can find Goosh on Amazon, and they are makers of a wide variety of interesting inflatables, from cutesy to scary and everything in between. And this one, I think, is kind of leaning more toward the scary, but still kind of cute. And he's just fun, and I like him. But this is what they call the ghost with the green face. Obviously, he is a Frankenstein's monster, but let's go ahead and take a quick look at the box. Although it doesn't say it on the box, he is 5 feet tall. The box does say that it's good for indoor and outdoor display, bright and internal LEDs, inflates in seconds, easy storage, ground stakes, and ropes included. On the back of the box, it shows the instructions, which of course are zip up, plug in and inflate, and then stake him down. And they do have this nice note on the back that if you have any suggestions for their products, they're always open to hearing them. So we certainly love when companies stand by their products, but the question is, are we going to love this inflatable? Let's go ahead and open up the box. Inside, we have a signature orange Goosh bag, which all of their inflatables come in, gives them that added layer of protection, and then you can also store them in the bag because you know you're never going to get it back in the box. And then we have some stakes and some rope. So let's go ahead and take the bag outside, open this guy up, and see what he looks like. All right, inside we have a nice roll of green and black, very Halloween colors. Hopefully it will show up at night well, because some of the times the dark colors are a little harder to see. But here we go. We've got some purple in there too, it looks like. He's kind of heavy, so there's 2 bean bags in the bottom. So he is not going to blow away, hopefully. I like to just use rocks in the bean bags to weight it down so that I don't have to use the stakes. But if you're in a windy area, you're probably obviously going to want to use the stakes and the ropes. But let's go ahead and plug him in. See what happens. All right, there's a little fan on the back and it is inflating. We want to make sure that the zipper is closed. So let's see, there's a zipper right here on the bottom and it is closed. So he seems to be inflating rather quickly. Let's give him a minute. Oop. Okay, well, this purple thing is like a jacket, so I think we want to make sure his arms are actually going through the sleeves of the jacket so that they stick up like that. All right, well, there he is. So let's go ahead and bring the camera in. We'll take a closer look. So you might want to ignore everything I just said about not tying him down and just using rocks, because he tends to want to fall over. I do have him sort of braced up a little bit on the deck just to keep him upright, and I'm hoping he's not going to fall over while we're standing here. He's a little bit top heavy because of these big old hands that stick up with the fingers that look like claws, just ready to reach out and grab unsuspecting trick-or-treaters. He's got a very flat nose. Of course, it's a little, could use a little adjustment, but it looks like he's been in a boxing match and he's not any better for it. Anyway, okay, he's got some broken teeth. His jacket here's got a couple of buttons. Doesn't actually button, it's just printed on there. But it does open, and you could play around with it, do something with it. His ripped off pants and his big black boots. All right, so as we go around to the side, we can see there's not a whole lot to see from the back. So he's just the one-sided prop. And the loops for the strings are actually there up under his jacket. So it'll be a little bit concealed from regular view. There we go. I guess now we just need to wait till it gets a little bit darker so we can see him glow at night. So this is another one of those inflatables that you're probably going to want a little bit of exterior illumination on. It's got one light set right in the middle of his face, which shines his face pretty well, which is good and bad, because I think his face could be just a little bit creepier if that's the thing that you're really going to see at night. However, I think one of the selling points of this inflatable is he's got these big old arms sticking up, and the light just doesn't filter up the arm tube. So again, a little bit external illumination will take care of that, but it would have been nice to maybe have the light in a couple more areas on the inflatable. But overall, he's a fun prop. He's kid size, so obviously kids who are coming up to him are going to enjoy him perhaps a little bit more than maybe someone like me. But I like him, and hopefully you do too. If you do, you can win one of these. I'm going to be giving one away 24 hours from the posting time of this video. If you'd like to enter to win one, all you have to do is leave me a comment below telling me what you would name this guy, because clearly he's not Frankenstein's monster. He's ghost with a green face or whatever, so he needs a name. Go ahead, give him a name, and leave me a hashtag Goosh and hashtag happy haunting in the comment. Those 3 things will get you entered. And make sure that you hit that bell icon to be notified of future videos, because we will be giving away a few more inflatables up until Halloween. So hopefully you'll stick around for that. Till then, take care and happy haunting.